as an established coach, it's always not easy to manage your social media, right? Because you are so much involved in your daily operations, in coaching other people and growing your business, so you don't get time to grow your social media. But social media contains a lot of opportunity to actually grow your business at higher levels. So you go on the internet and search for the social media AI tool, social media automation. Well, today the search will be end for you because I built this n8n social media automation that can help you to automate your complete social media and make you more followers, grow your business, and generate more sales from the social media. I will show you everything step by step how you can do that. And the best part about this, you don't have to do anything. Simply record your voice message whenever you get a good idea about your content that you wanted to share with the world. Bring out your phone from your pocket, record a voice message, click on send, and done. Everything from there will be taken by the AI, done by the AI, and AI will create a content, beautiful post for LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or that, and post it on your social media on your behalf. So you don't have to even open your phone, open your laptop to do anything else. Isn't it cool? Let's see on my screen how you can build that. So first tool that you need for this is n8n software. It's called n8n.io. You can simply go from the link in the description and sign up for that. Okay, you don't need a very high weight plan for that. You can choose the simplest one and start using that one. So first thing, once you start on that, go to n8n, click on the create. For example, if I go overview, click on the create a workflow. Okay, so here what you have to do, the first step is click on the first icon and search for the Telegram, right? Why? Because the voice message that you will record is will trigger from the Telegram. So you will open your Telegram, record a voice message, and done, right? So here search for Telegram, click on message, and the first thing, whenever you build this, at the first automation, that integration between the different tools won't be already there. So you have to build those integrations first. So for Telegram there is no integration, your integration is not existed. So first you have to build it. For that, click on this Telegram thing and click on create new credential. Here you have to put the access token. Now where you get this access token? Simple. Go to your Telegram, okay, and search for bot father. When you search for the bot father, you will find a Telegram bot. It will ask you click on this slash new bot, okay. Then it will ask you to give a name to that bot, okay, and then it will ask you to give a username to that bot. Right? Once you give that bot a name, a username, the access token will appear over here that you can copy from the orange color. This will appear. Now make sure one thing over here, the bot name should end, username should end with bot word. Okay, that is compulsory. Now once you do that, copy this access token, go back to your automation and paste your access token over here and click on save. Once you do that, a connection will establish between your Telegram bot and the n8n software. So now whenever you give the input, a voice, a text, a file, photo, any kind of data, that will come to the n8n, okay, automatically. Now once the connection is established, in this trigger on, click on that and choose message. Okay, you don't need to choose anything else, simply choose message and done. Now remain anything, you don't need to add anything, you don't need to change anything, leave it over here. Okay, now the first thing you did is build a trigger. Trigger is done. Now we need to build the execution part. So I will go in my automation and copy this first thing. So this is, if I zoom in, so this is checking the message is in voice format or the text format. Now why it is this? Sometimes maybe you are in a good mood, you can record the voice. Maybe sometime you are in a place like in a restaurant or some place where you can't speak. At that time you can simply type your message on the Telegram and send. Okay, so both of the things are available, depends on whatever the circumstances are, whatever the need is. Okay, so if you want you can record a voice message, if you want you can text as well, right? So that's why we will put this module over here. So what I will do, I will simply copy this, okay, and paste it over here. You can search it from here. Okay, so now just connect this, double click on this, and there is a simple code over here. What is saying, if the message is in the voice format, Okay, then the output should be the voice, audio. If the message exists in the text format, then the output should be text. And if nothing is exists, then it should be error. So we got this, but how we test it? So for to testing it out, what we will do, first save it. Okay, and I am going to open my Telegram because I already established a connection between these. So I open my Telegram and first I give it a voice message. So let's see. I click on test workflow and give it a voice message. Hey, this is Bharat. Okay, voice message generated, and you see this is also executed. And this one item is, you can see the one item showing in the audio. So this is executed. Let's see. The green color is showing, it means it is a valid value. So how you get this value? Basically, once you record your voice message, you can come over here and inside the voice file ID, simply drag and drop over here. Okay. So I already have the value. I'm not dragging and drop. So for the voice ID, you get the message from here. For the text ID, you can get the message from here. Okay. This, but for that is better thing is simply input the text and let the text output came, and then you can copy the text file ID. Okay. So now we have both the file IDs. We can go ahead. So what is the next step? The next step to convert your voice message into the text format, because OpenAI or other chatbots, chat models can't directly process your voice input from the automations. So you have to build this tool, build this input, this automation where it will convert your voice into text. And I'm using the Chat GPT OpenAI model. Why? Because Chat GPT provide the image generation model, transcription model, transcribe model, and always also the Chat GPT, which is the text model. So both four different functionalities in one tool, which is good. So now what I will do, first thing we have to fetch the voice message. How do that? Simple. I am copying this thing from here, but I will also show you how to do that. So okay. Now how you get this one? So go here and search for Telegram. All right, and search for get a chat. Okay, so in the get a chat, so yes, sorry, get a file. So from a get a file, you will take a file from there. Okay, and then convert that file into the output. So click on this get a file and you will get this thing. Now double click on this and you need this file ID, which is the voice file ID. So simply you see this file ID, drag and drop and done. Okay. Now we need this chat GPT model for transcribing. Go again on this plus icon and search for chat GPT. Okay. Click on this and here you have to search for transcribe a recording. Okay. So drag and drop over here, transcribe voice to text. Double click on this. You don't need to do anything else. You already have a connection established, which you done previously. Oh, sorry, you haven't done it yet. So click on this create new credential. Okay. And you have to put the API key. How do you get the API key? You can read more about over here. Click on this OpenAI thing over here. And this doc will open. You can simply know how to build this connection. It is really simple. Okay. So once this connection is there, you have to simply keep it as it is in the resource choose audio, in the operation transcriber recording, in input data field data. All right. So I am leaving it till here and then did this connection with text from here to prepare for LLM, basically for the chat GPT model. Okay. And keep it as it is. Okay. Manual mapping text and this JSON text file, which we already had previously. So what I will do for this, you have to simply go back and go again back, click on this plus icon, data transformation and edit field set. Okay. If you drag and drop this, you can create this thing. So for example, if I drag and drop this, manual mapping, add field here, give it a text as a variable. So basically variable is a field name where you store the data. If you learn about the coding or you know a little bit coding, it is variables basically is variable something where you store the value of something. Okay. So Yeah, I think you know that much of coding, so yeah, nothing complex, very simple. Give it a name where you want to store the data, and in the value, I will show you how to get that value. So for now, just deleting it. Okay, so we got these two things ready, and what I will do. So next thing is this agent. So let's first test this much out. So what I'm going to do, again, going to test this workflow with a voice message. So we got the initial values, test workflow, and I will send a text content first and send. So now you can see it executed till here. Okay, you see this tick mark, it means it executed without error. So if I go inside this and you scroll till here, this is a text. So you simply have to drag and drop this over here to get this data. Okay, now for this much, for voice message, we don't have any data yet, so I will give the voice input now. Hey, this is Bharat. So voice input here, it is executing. So I'm double click on this. You see the voice message, the file ID is here, simply drag and drop. So we got the data as the output. And now let's see the transcription. Hey, this is Bharat. You see? So we got the file ID and transcription over here. So this much is all done. We trigger the input, the voice message, convert the voice into the text format, and now it's time to generate the content using that. So for this, we have this AI agent thing over here. Okay, really amazing thing. I am copying this, but we'll show you how to build this. Paste. Okay, and simply connect it. Now, how this agent will build? You have to click on this plus icon, search for this advanced AI, and choose the AI agent over here. Okay, so this is the same thing. Now for this chat model, if you click on this plus, right, this chat model is basically you can search for this. For example, if I delete this connection, click on this plus icon, you can simply search for the chat GPT, uh, wait, chat G, OpenAI, this one. Okay, OpenAI chat model. So you have to connect this, drag and drop over here like this. Okay, so I'm deleting this, we already have one. So I'm connecting again. Now let me show you one by one. Okay, and this operation code is structure parser. So for that, click on this plus icon and choose this structured output parser. That is basically to tell AI how, what kind of, or what is the format in which you wanted the output to be. Okay, what should be the structure for that. So first thing, click on this AI agent. Here, choose tools agent. Inside the agent, source define below. Okay, because it gives you two options, you have to choose define below. In this thing, basically this is the main thing. So here you have to give a detailed prompt, what you want it to do. So I asked it like, you act as a content creation AI and you have to generate the content for the LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter based on a proper format. Like you have to generate the content, this much keywords, this much text, and contains the uh, hashtags, contain the emojis for the Instagram, contains the hashtags or the keywords for the LinkedIn or like that. So I basically describe how I want the input and everything over here. Okay, you can simply type it in that English way, whatever you type. And this file, this is the text file that we come copy, drag and drop from here. Okay, same thing as we did earlier, and that's it. Okay, now it's come the OpenAI chat model. Double click on this. Nothing else you have to do. You already built a connection earlier, okay, with the chat GPT. So in the form list, you have to choose the model, OpenAI model. I choose the latest one, which is the 4.5 preview. So choose the latest one, which is the always the best one. In the response format, choose text. Okay, here in the output structured output parser, it is basically a JSON format. You can use the Claude ChatGPT to ask it to generate the JSON format output structure for you. So you can tell the AI that I am creating a content for creating an automation for my social media, and I wanted to upload the content on the Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you want. So create me a JSON format content structure, output structure. Okay, and then it will give you this whole thing. You can simply copy and paste here. That's it. It's that simple. And you can copy mine as well. I will paste it in the description so you can copy. Now once you have this, it's the time to execute it. So let's test it out. But what I will do, I will give it a voice input first. Okay, and then we will see how it works. But let's also build one further thing, which is the aggregate. So double click on this, and sorry, plus click on plus and search for aggregate. Okay, basically aggregate means take the data from everywhere and make it one data. Okay, so in the individual field, choose all item and leave as it is. Okay, in this put output data include all fields. That's it. Now I'm going to give it a voice input. Create me a content on how to become mentally strong. Okay, so let's see. You see it already passed the content. It is now functioning and processing. So we already converted a voice to the text. Let's see. So create me a content on how to become mentally strong. What I recorded in just in front of you. Okay, now it is processing over here. So AI agent is basically processing and converting the text, the voice message which converted into text into the social media content. If you want, you can give a detailed message as well. You don't need to simply say one line. I am saying one line because I just giving a preview to you. But if you have a like long idea, the whole big idea, so you can simply give a wrong idea and then this AI will convert that into your content. Okay. So I'm giving a very short line. You can do a big one. Now this will process because I am asking it to generate the content for the LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and like long content, not short one. So it will take some time to execute. Once it execute, it will aggregate and give me the output. So already done. Let's see. It's looking so beautiful, huh? Here, event name, the way I want the output to be, say event name, event description, and everything. So first is LinkedIn post. Let's see. Manual strength is not about toughening up, it's about building resilience and maintaining focus during challenging times. In our fast paced professional world, mental toughness means the difference between overcoming hurdles gracefully or feeling overwhelmed by them. See, so it is cool, okay? And then it gives the content for the LinkedIn with the hashtags, then the call to action, then Instagram image suggestion, okay, then the caption, hashtags for the Facebook hashtags, call to action, image suggestion again, and the Twitter post. So and also like the proper limit of the content, like it don't need to be very long for the Twitter, so don't make it very long, and that is depends on the prompt you give over here. Okay, so this prompt is basically responsible for all those things. So once it's done, right now it's time to generate the image because we need an image as well for the Instagram, for the Facebook. So click on this plus icon and search for chat GPT open AI model. And if you wanted to use the different AI models like the Midjourney, Dali, or anything else, you can use that to generate the image. It is completely up to you. I am using OpenAI right now, but it's just you can use different one as well. So here I choose generate an image. In this, keep it as it is till here. In the prompt, you have to search for the prompt on the left side. So you see this image generation for the Instagram where it is here, images. So I put it over here and this contain this and I will simply test step right now. So this will convert the image in front of us. Okay. And then we can use this AI generated image as well to upload on the social media. If you wanted to know how you can use your own image, I will make another video on that as well. So you don't have to use the social, AI image, but you can use your own image. So image is generated now. Let's see. You see, this is the image and actually looking very beautiful. Okay. So I like this image. It's so beautiful. Okay. Looking like a painting. I like it. Now we have the images there. Now it's time to upload this content on the social media platforms. So if you wanted to upload this content on the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever, you can do that. Click on this plus icon. So I will start with the Twitter, which called X now, and choose create tweet. First thing, again, whenever you use a new tool, you have to first build a connection with that. You have chosen X, so build a connection with the X. Okay. Same process like search for the API keys and upload it over here and done. Then here in the resource, choose tweet, operations create. In the text, click over here and go to aggregate and you will get all the data. So we want the Twitter output. So click on post, drag and drop, and this is over here. Okay. Then I want one more output, which is for the, for example, LinkedIn. So click on LinkedIn, create a post. Again, build a connection. I don't have the connection yet. So in the resource, choose post, operation create, post as person. Okay, all good. In the text, again, over here, choose aggregate. And for the LinkedIn, this is the post. So drag and drop. And this is the big post for the chat LinkedIn platform. If you wanted an image as well, you can do that. So I will choose image as well. And then in the data, it is correct data, and then done. So this is for the LinkedIn. Then you can simply add the Facebook, Instagram. If you wanted to post on the Medium article, you can do that as well. And if you wanted to upload content on your WordPress, you can build a connection with that as well. So isn't it is so good? So once you build that, you simply have to record your voice message on your phone, and then whole social media handling thing will go done automatically. You don't need to hire another person for this. This whole thing will done by the AI and the automation, and you have to simply use your phone wherever you go and record, which is always with you. Okay, you have every person will take your their phone everywhere. So it means like from wherever you want, wherever you are, wherever you want, you can record your voice message and convert it into a beautiful post and upload it on social media and done. It's that great. And I don't need to tell you, like if you keep consistently uploading the content, you will start getting the more following, more sales from there, more recognition, and your business will grow ultimately. So as a coach, this is very important to build a have a social media following, social media presence. Okay. And if you can do it that easily, recording a voice message and done, then that is something pretty cool, in if you ask me. So well, this is all for today's video. And I always create, or every time create these new automations, which is very useful for the coaches, especially because I am working with the coaches. I know their problems, their needs, their requirement, their desires. So I build this AI tools, I come up with the AI automations for them. So if you wanted to grow your business, grow your coaching business, make more money, get new clients, and using the help of AI, save more time so you can get more freedom, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will create more content about the AI tools, AI automations, so it will help you out. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Till the time, implement this, ask me any question in the comment, and I will record our next video for you very soon.